Guangdong Wanerxin Intelligent Technology Co., Ltd. is a high-tech enterprise specializing in packaging industrial automation solutions. Our main products include robotic palletizing systems for cartons, bags, barrels, and flexible packaging, along with melting materials packaging systems. As an integrated solution provider combining R&D, engineering design, precision manufacturing, global distribution, and technical support, we deliver turnkey automation systems proven to boost operational efficiency and reduce labor costs through intelligent controls. We are committed to delivering cutting-edge automation solutions that redefine industry standards and drive sustainable growth for our global clients. Guided by our core principles of quality, reliability, excellence, we embed quality consciousness into our corporate DNA and are dedicated to providing intelligent upgrade solutions for the global manufacturing industry.